Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever imagined walking into a factory where robots looking almost human are bustling around, working alongside people? Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not just the future anymore, it's happening now. Let's dive into why humanoid robots are becoming the new stars of manufacturing facilities and how they're transforming the industry. Buckle up, because this is going to be fascinating. Attributes of humanoid robots. To understand why humanoid robots are such a big deal, we first need to explore what makes them unique. Let's break it down. Human-like appearance. These robots are designed to look like us. They have a head, torso, arms, and legs. This isn't just for aesthetics. Their human-like form makes it easier for them to interact with people and adapt to spaces designed for humans. Imagine a robot lifting tools or pushing carts just like a human would. Cool, right? Incredible mobility. Bipedal locomotion. These robots can walk. That means they can navigate through human-centric environments like narrow aisles or stairs with ease. Articulated joints. Their flexible joints give them a full range of motion, so they can handle tasks that require delicate precision, like assembling tiny parts. Advanced sensory perception. Vision. With high-tech cameras, they recognize objects and navigate spaces efficiently. Hearing. Equipped with microphones, they understand verbal instructions and respond to sounds. Touch. Tactile sensors let them handle objects safely and even sense pressure. No crushed widgets here. Cognitive abilities. Artificial intelligence. These robots learn on the job, adapting to new tasks and improving their performance over time. Natural language processing. They can understand and respond to human speech, making collaboration seamless. Emotional intelligence. Yes, you heard that right. These robots can pick up on human emotions, offering responses that feel empathetic. This makes working with them a lot more comfortable. Interactivity. Humanoid robots are designed to directly interact with humans. They're like helpful teammates, offering assistance, providing information, and sometimes even companionship. Autonomy. These robots don't need constant supervision. They can navigate, make decisions, and perform tasks on their own, freeing up human workers for more complex jobs. Adaptability. Need them to do something new? No problem. Humanoid robots can be reprogrammed to handle various tasks and adjust to different manufacturing processes. Safety features. Safety is a top priority. These robots are equipped with sensors to avoid collisions and have emergency protocols to ensure they operate safely around humans. Benefits of having humanoid robots in manufacturing. Now that we know how awesome they are, let's look at why manufacturing facilities are rolling out the red carpet for humanoid robots. Increased efficiency. Imagine a team that never tires, never takes a break, and never calls in sick. Humanoid robots can work 24/7 without fatigue, boosting overall productivity and output like never before. Enhanced precision. Whether it's assembling intricate components or performing repetitive tasks, these robots excel. Their high accuracy reduces errors, ensuring that every product meets quality standards. Improved safety. Factories can be dangerous places. By assigning hazardous tasks to robots, manufacturers can protect their human workforce from risks like exposure to toxic chemicals or operating heavy machinery. Cost savings. Sure, the initial investment in humanoid robots can be hefty, but over time, the savings on labor costs, fewer errors, and reduced workplace accidents make it a smart financial decision. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. Also, hit the bell icon so you could never miss new updates from us. Thank you for watching, and we will meet you in the next one.